It's not a
Hello everybody and welcome back to my video. Today's video we are going to be doing a pantry, fridge, and kitchen organize, and to start it off we need to really work on this pantry. I went to Aldi's today and I just noticed that I didn't really have spots to put some of the stuff that I had bought at the store. And so when that happens, that means that it is time for me just to organize everything that I have and move things around, get rid of things that might be expired, and just have everything nice and organized so it's easier for me to find throughout the week.
Dressing cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, yeah, and the way you go.
You'll notice that I do move some of these containers around. Like I organized this one, but I didn't like it on this shelf with all of like the snack stuff, so I just put it on the lower shelf. You'll see that here in a little bit. I just kind of wanted to have more of like a dinner pantry shelf and then kind of like a snack shelf, if that makes sense. I guess you'll see, but you will see that I end up moving some things around.
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, yeah, yeah. There's a remedy, yeah. Oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, yeah. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light.
I was happy with how the pantry was. I wanted to move on to the Lazy Susan, and I wanted to show this because this is mom life. There's always some sort of toys like stashed in this corner. But yeah, that's my life. And then moving on to this Lazy Susan, I don't keep this cleaned because it's so difficult to like get into. So I just kind of throw things in here, and I just really wanted to get it organized so it was just easier for me to use. And I had these labels from the original pantry organization video. I'll have that linked in the description box if you guys are interested in watching that. But I have not used them since, so I was just going to go ahead and get rid of them and just put some of these other containers up in the higher cabinets out of the reach and out of my way down here. And I can always grab those at another time if I would like them again. And I'm just spraying down the bottom with a cleaner. One of the sauces had spilled in here, so I really needed to go ahead and give it a good scrubbing.
Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light.
It is time to move on to the fridge now. I just had a lot of leftovers in the fridge that I wanted to go ahead and take out so that way I had room in the fridge for other things since it is Thanksgiving week. We actually celebrated our own Thanksgiving, just my little family, last Sunday. But we also are going to families throughout the week, and we always get sent home with leftovers. So I just kind of wanted to have the fridge cleared out and ready for that so I'm not overwhelmed by the end of the week.
See that you miss me. He got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star. Baby, I'm lighting up, like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Me feel like, oh, the type of fire that burns from within, shining like I'm made of gold. I shine, it's true. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got my love. He got my love, he got my love.
I noticed when I was done with the fridge and I closed it that there was just a whole bunch of little fingerprints and food and like water and stuff like that on the fridge. So I just wanted to go ahead and wipe this down. I do not use any special cleaner on my fridge because I do actually have people ask me about that. My fridge specifically said in the handbook to only use like hot soapy water because it is black stainless and so it is easily faded if you use certain cleaners on it. So they just recommend just using some soapy water, and I personally love how it looks over cleaners anyway, because I just go through with a dry microfiber towel, and it just, I don't know, it just makes it like streak free, I guess, but it looks really good.
Mellow, mellow, mellow. He got 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 mellow. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on.
I had forgot to unload the dishwasher when I woke up in the morning, so I wanted to go ahead, unload it, and get it loaded again to start running for the night. It wasn't even like nighttime when I filmed this. Since the time change, like the sun sets at like 5 o'clock, and I want to say this was around like 5:30, so this was just part of my normal nightly routine anyway, just loading up the dishwasher, starting that, and cleaning the counters.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Got me all lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, babe. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
That is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in that comment section below. Give this video a like and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And I will see you all in the next video.
got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't